Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be able to show you how to publish a Wix website on Google in 2024. Of course, getting your sites indexed by Google is very crucial for driving traffic and also ensuring your audience can find you online. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to understand how to publish your Wix website on Google. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Just type wix.com. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page first of all. So click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you'll have to click on sign up to create a new account or get started at the top right corner right here. And as you can see, you can use Google, Facebook, and even Apple to log in. Or if you don't have, or if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. So once you do so, basically, once you do so, you'll be taken here, which is going to be the dashboard or site. Here you'll find, all, of course, all the sites that you have. Of course, as you can see, this site first of all is created by like AI. If you want to understand how to create a fully working, functional site and even good-looking site by AI, you can, of course, after that make any customization or edits on it. I'll make the video, or I make a video already about it. I made a video about it. You can go and check it out in this channel later. So here's an example. You'll have first of all to publish your website. So choose the site that you wanna publish, or website, or of course publish it on Google. So you'll need to publish your website before like Google can find your site. It needs to be live in the Wix editor. So go to whatever site you want. As example, for me, I'm using here Wix editor and here like Wix Studio. So example, I'll just go to this one and I'll just go here and click on select sites. And as you can see, this will open it, or I'll just go and click on edit sites instead because it will open it to a new tab, which is best for me. So just go here and click on edit site. And yeah, as we said, of course, we'll need to go and publish the website first of all. And Wix will prompt you, of course, to choose a domain. And you can either use a Wix subdomain or also connect a custom domain if you have one already. After selecting, example, a domain. Of course, you can buy some cheap like domains on GoDaddy. You can even get it with $1-2. If it's not like .com or something like that, you can get something .online or something like not that known. Of course, .online is already good, I guess. Like it will be even like easy to recognize by people. So example, as we said, we'll have to publish your site. So click on publish at the top right corner here. And once it's published, as you can see, congratulations. Here you can simply view your site first of all. As you can see, you can even complete the setup first of all of your like site if you didn't yet. As you can see here your site, how does it look like. You can even see it in phone, how does it look like. Of course, you can even preview it here if you want to right away. So once you publish your site, of course, that will make first of all your site live. Now, what we'll need to do is first of all set up some Google Search Console. Of course, what you'll need to do so, you'll need to go to Google Search Console as example. Let me just go back here and open a new tab, type Google like Search Console and hit the enter button, go to the first option. And as you can see, you can simply click on start now. So here, welcome to Google Search Console. So what you'll need first of all to start, select a property type, domains or URL prefix. What do you want? So it's actually up to you. You can simply just go here. Once you click, of course, on publish again, even if it's published, just go and click on publish again. As you can see, they'll give you here the URL. You can simply just double click on it with the mouse until you find this. Then simply click on Control A. This will select everything. Click on Control C, which will copy it. And now you can go back here. As you can see, you can simply just go and use this domain or URL. For me, I'll just use this URL as an example. Then click on continue. As you can see, check in verification to see everything is working as intended. And here, as an example, let me just wait. Of course, we'll need to add this property. And as you can see, once we do so, we will need basically to verify this site. As you can see, verify ownership. So we will need to verify this ownership of the site. As you can see, they will give you this file, HTML file. So we'll need to download the file and then upload it to this specific website. And to stay verified, don't remove the file even after verification succeeded. So as an example, I'll just go and check or download it as example, then click on save. And once I go and add this on my website, all I need to do, then click here back on verified. As you can see, you can find other verification methods if you didn't like this HTML file, you can simply just do it through HTML tags. For example, you'll need to go and copy the meta tag and do that or that. You can do it through Google Analytics, through Google Tag Manager, or even through domain name provider. It's actually up to you. Do whatever suits you. So for me, if I go here to this, I'll scroll down example. I'll go to the test page that I have. So I'll just go here to pages, click on test page. I'll add that HTML file right there. So if I go here, so let me just go. Okay, I'm on editing section. Yeah, I'm on editing section. So I'll just go and add this or add that right here. And what I'll need to do basically is simply add the HTML file in here. Of course, like an easier option is simply this HTML tag. Of course, first of all, you need to copy this to do it. Once you do so, once you copy it, basically you'll have to, as you can see, it should go in the head section before the first body section. So you basically have to add it on the head section. So if you go to this list panel, go to this, of course, if you go to your Wix editor, go to this list panel, and here we'll need to access the settings, basically. As you can see, you'll find this right here. Just go and click on settings. And all we need to do is simply go on SEO setup checklist. So get found on Google. So click on it. Once you click on it, basically, so let's just wait a little bit. And it should take us, as you can see in here. So as you can see, all we need to do is just click on get started. So what's business or brand name as example? So Omex as example, just go and type that. Click on next. For example, where does the business serve its customers? For example, this business, okay, like nationwide, worldwide, whatever it is. And which keyword do you want to use? For example, gaming. All I need to do. Okay, now I need like 5 keywords, right? So usually 2 to 5 words that help your site. That's customer enter, and it should describe your business and what it has to offer, like online vintage comic bookstore. Okay, so that's too much. Like gaming or gaming website, as example, is that good? I don't know if that's good. Of course, don't include your site's name and your descriptive word like vintage comics, that or whatever you want. Of course, you can even see examples. So online mystery bookstores. So yeah, this is good. Like gaming websites, online like gaming. Hit the enter button. Gaming example. I don't know if it will work correctly. Okay, I don't think like. Yeah, single word will not be good. So example, game or I don't know like. Gaming hub, whatever is that. So gaming hub will be good. Gaming websites, why not? So websites will be good. Hit the enter button. And yeah, of course, like 3 is already good. Okay, I'll just go then click on next. Of course, you can even get some by AI if you want to. So as you can see here, first of all, you can just go to get, of course, published in Google. Of course, you'll need to optimize your size example and everything in here. You can simply finish this steps. And of course, you can set up the home page title for search results, add the homepage description, connect your site to custom domain, and then connect your site to Google Search Console. So click on go for it. And as you can see, click on connect now. So of course, it seems like we'll need to finish this first. Of course, to connect it, it seems like we'll need to connect this site to a custom domain using like this tool of HTML tag, because we'll not be able to add it into like the header. Of course, we can try it out as an example. If we go to this sections right here, and if we go, oh, never mind, I'll just go here to pages example. Or the header page, if we go to home as example, or this header example, if we go and click on it and click on like where is it? So this is just manage columns. Okay, I want to edit the header. That's why I click on it. Yeah, okay, change header design, quick edit, header scroll settings. So I'll just go and click on header scroll settings. Okay, this is just scroll in settings. I don't want that. Help. What about like quick edits on the header? Let's change like something. Okay, like it will not let me change it. It seems like the only way is simply changing it through this setting SEO. But as you can see, to do so, you'll need to finish those steps one by one. Then click on connect now. Of course, you can choose other options like a Google Analytics option, Google Tag Manager. Just follow the steps provided here. Click on verify, and once you add it, you'll have once of course it's verified, you'll need to submit your site's map. Then check indexing status. Then basically it will be of course you'll need to optimize it also for sites for SEO. I've made a lot of videos on how to optimize it for SEO. Basically, you'll need to monitor the performance of it and upgrade it, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.